Darius McCrary, who I grew up watching play the character of a police officer's son, Eddie Winslow, on Family Matters, has been locked up. I want to talk about it because this is not something that has just happened out of the blue. No, you've been going through this for over 10 years. I mean, listen, you went to court. I don't know what it was that you took, but I know you was not drunk. You were under the influence of something that had your speech slurred. I'm just going to say this. You need to hire somebody who specializes in what you are dealing with, because going in there up under the influence of whatever the hell it was that he was under ain't gonna get you nowhere. And it's obvious that it didn't, because guess what? You're still locked up. I mean, damn, you played the character Eddie Winslow. Your father on the show was a police officer, only for in real life for you to continuously get locked up by the real deal. Real talk, let's talk about it over here on the Balanced Energy channel, how Darius went up in before the honorable judge and decided that it'd be a great idea if he go up under the Sovereign Act and represent himself as a Moorish citizen. Let's talk about it on the Balanced Energy channel.
McCrary, did you have any objections, sir, to the media request? You indicated that you did, that you had an objection, and the court indicated that its tentative was to grant the request for media coverage. Did you wish to put that on the record or no?
Yes, I mean, I'd like to put it on the record, only because I have other children than my 18-year-old son, which this matter is involving.
Okay, but only as it relates to the media request.
Oh, I just wanted to make sure that my other children weren't in the media if I mention their names, or if it comes up in if it comes up in the proceedings.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please do so.
I wanted to call attention to the emergency motion that I filed. Based on the fact that the 50th district has completely continued to violate all of my rights, my 4th, my 5th, my 14th Amendment, my right to due process is constantly trampled. And I've figured out why, because under due process clause of the 14th Amendment, personal judgment is void if rendered by the court, which has no jurisdiction over the defendant. That's Penmore versus Neff.
Them people don't want to hear that. Dumb people want to hear how you're going to pay that debt that you owe Darius. They don't give a damn if it comes from Darius or Eddie. They don't care. They want their back child support. And just to know that you chose to represent yourself under the influence, I don't think that was a good idea. Just my opinion about all of this. I mean, I think you should have hired somebody who has experience with the law, because usually people that go up in the court acting like they are Moors and sovereigns, they get locked up. Once again, I wanted to come through and talk about a real family matter with Mr. Darius McCrary, that he has to pay that child support. I don't think they're gonna let you out. You might want to call a real lawyer and try to work something out, get that money to them children. They don't give a damn if they're 18. The back child support does not stop. Okay? I'm your host, Velvet, coming through for the Balanced Energy channel with you better pay that child support up news for you, and I am up out of here.